Well, can you remember back in the day, Drew Boy, when you played back in the highlands of Bogota? Massive out. Oh! There we go. That's one. One of the massive jumps.
That's a good jump.
It was a ridiculously good jump. It's an unbelievable jump. Imagine if we tried that, we'd end up pulling both our hamstrings. Well, distracting for Nick Matthew. I think the crowd are still trying to work out what happened. Let's have a look at this. This is airtime. Thank you, New. It's exhausting doing that jump.
Well, I definitely do remember playing in Bogota, Joey, and